Hi, Fono.
Hi.
What's your name?
Fono in. Fono.
It's not Inoke Fono Temsi. See? He don't know how to answer this just like Nugu. Go to Jonet. Jonet's turn.
What's up?
What's your name?
Shane. Liumayako. Hangatao.
Alright. Who's your brother's name?
I don't know.
You don't know his brother? His name?
No.
You don't know his? Who's your sister's name?
6'4".
You don't have a sister?
Matty.
What? Talk to the thing. Fono, hurry up. I'm waiting for you. Nugu's turn. Come on, Nugu. Nugu, come here. What's your name? Fono, are you going to be part of this? I'm waiting for Fono. Go. Can you go find Fono?
Where are you?
Fono, what are you doing? Come here. I'm going to ask you a question, okay? Come here. Stand right there. I'm going to ask you again. Look at Daddy. Why you got milk in your mouth?
Daddy thirsty.
All right. What's your name?
Fono. Fono.
All right. Let me wipe the milk off. Looks funny.
Let's do it.
Then you love school? You like school?
Yeah.
All right. I love you.
I love you.
You love Mommy and Daddy?